Alright, y'all, I don't know what we doing today or what we picking up today. All I know is we going to the gun store and y'all coming with me. But as y'all can see, I'm at the gas station. We finna throw some gas and Mr. Beat the Road. Mrs. Beat the Road? Is it, should I say Mr. or Mrs.? I don't know. But let me put some gas in there. I'll get back with y'all when I get to the gun store. Hey, I don't know what's in here, but that shit stank. Alright, y'all, so I don't know what the fuck this is, but it's obviously a house. But we finna go inside, man, see what they got. Alright, y'all, look, we back from the store. We got the gun. What y'all think we got, though? Nah, this is what we went and got, man. Let's open it. I ain't opened it up since I got, you feel me, from the from my FFL deal. I ain't even took it in the house yet. This is everything that come in the box. We're gonna open it up together. This is everything that comes in the box. I like how they got this set up. I like how they got a box because you can carry this on the plane. You can put your locks on there. Let's see the gun. Let's see the mags. Now, this do come with two 17-round mags, double stacked, my boy. Let's get in this thing, bro. Man, this is the Tisas DS 1911, well, 2011. This is the carry version. They got a duty version. This is the 4 1/4 inch. They got a 5 inch. What I'm gonna do with a 5 inch, bro? That's fucking nice, bro. Now I'm gonna go in the house and take, you know, all the new oil or whatever type of oil they be putting on these things and put my own oil on it. Nah, can't air rack this. That is fucking decent though, bro. That is decent, bro. So now I got the polymer grip. I think it's a steel frame polymer grips. You know, it's like a lower budget version of the Staccato or the Prodigy, whichever one you want to go with. But I think, me personally, I think I'm gonna go get all the double stack 1911s. Well, I don't want the Staccato because I'm not paying that fucking much for a gun. But I will go grab the Prodigy. I'm gonna go grab the Mac 9. I already got the Tisas. I don't want the Night Stalker. Those are a little too long for me. But I think that's the thing that I'm gonna try to do now. Go get all the, you know, lower budget 1911s, all the lower budget double stack 1911s. Make sure it's clear. That trigger not bad on there. I'm finna take this thing in the house and just look over it for a second. I'll get back with y'all though. Now we is in the house and I'm gonna just right off the bat tell you I know completely nothing about this gun. This is not a review. This is just an unboxing, first glance at the gun. I just got it about 30 minutes ago, so just stick around, like the video, subscribe to the channel, bro. My right off the back feeling, this feel like an entry level to the double stack 1911s, as they all say. Now, I'm not gonna compare this to the Staccato. I'm not gonna compare this to the Prodigy. The closest thing I could compare it to is like the Mac 9 or the Night Stalker, or you know, something like that. But this does feel great. It's not as smooth as the Prodigy. I know I haven't felt the Prodigy. Maybe this gotta get broke in. I felt the used Prodigy and it was like butter water. You feel me? But this is dope. It came with two double stack magazines, two 17-round mags. And the box is pretty dope. I already showed y'all all that. But damn! Two double stack mags. Now, these do take the Prodigy mags, the Staccato mag, so that's a plus. This grip feel good though. It's not too aggressive. Look at that. Now, I do gotta get on some website and find a light to go to this, because I'm not putting my TLR7 on there, and my Chill R1 don't fit. I don't have the I don't got the little mount piece that go in there. This one go to a Glock. So yeah. How y'all feel about that? For a $700 double stack 1911, this is probably the best you gonna get, bro. Not gonna hold you. This is probably the best you're gonna get. Now, right off the back, I cannot reach the slide release. That's something that's not gonna ever happen. So I'm always have to turn that, or I just gotta learn to, you know. But this double stack 1911, bro, is bad ass for 700 bucks. Go and grab you one of them things, bro. Now, this is not a review. This is just a first glance at the gun. I don't know nothing about this gun. Just stick around, like the video, subscribe to the channel, bro, and go grab you a double stack 1911, bro.